Running multiple AI code agents can be challenging, often leading to context clashes or broken environments. This video explores how to effectively scale your AI coding workflows using fleet engineering techniques. When agents share global context in the terminal, it creates a collision problem. They can overwrite each other's files, causing fatal errors. A simple fix is to assign strict file ownership to each session from the start. If a session is lost or interrupted, don't worry. You can easily recover by using the continue or resume commands in your terminal. For a quick update on what a previous session was doing, use the /recap command. Start your workflows efficiently with plan mode. Launching a session in this mode helps you define complete task context and break down complex jobs into independent steps, which helps prevent future file collisions. For smooth transitions, use smart task handoffs instead of export commands. Install the handoff skill, ask your planner to create handoff documents, and then start new sessions using the handoff keyword for a clean, focused start. You can keep your main terminal free by running agents in the background. Use the background flag with your prompt, or simply type /bg if you are already inside a session. This lets you manage multiple tasks without cluttering your workspace. Monitor all your parallel tasks from a single location using the agent dashboard. Just type Claude Agents in your terminal to see the status of running, paused, or finished sessions, and open any specific session to view more details. To avoid file overwrites, isolate your branches with Git worktrees. By creating a dedicated folder for each branch and assigning one agent per worktree, your agents can edit separate, isolated copies of the codebase safely. Automate your workflows further with the Symphony fork. By running a background daemon, it can watch for new GitHub issues with specific labels and automatically launch the necessary branches and pull requests for you. Even with file isolation, you might face dependency or port clashes, such as multiple agents trying to use the same local port. Solving this requires isolating the entire execution environment, not just the files. Launch Docker Sandbox environments to ensure a hard security boundary. By running agents inside an isolated microVM, your main system remains untouched, allowing agents to install packages and run tasks without interference. For absolute safety, use the clone mode flag when creating a sandbox. This creates a full project copy inside the disposable virtual machine, ensuring that even if an agent encounters a destructive error, it stays contained within the sandbox. You can even orchestrate subtasks automatically. A planner agent can manage a fleet of sub-agents, assigning them to individual sandboxes, pulling in finished code changes, and cleaning up environments once the work is done. Keep an eye on your infrastructure by monitoring the sandbox fleet progress. Using the sandbox dashboard, you can view the status of all active containers, verify task completion, and review merged changes in your repository. Ultimately, the choice of isolation strategy depends on your task complexity. Whether you need simple context sharing or full environment isolation, matching your approach ensures you can scale your agents indefinitely without collision.